How to email your blog post on Constant Contact. Okay, so first go to their website and then open your account. Then from there, of course, we need to create an email first. So just click on create here and then just click on send an email. Okay, now from here, you can start from scratch if you want, but as for this example, I'll just use a template. So let's just use this one and then just click on select. Okay, let's wait for this to load. Okay, so in order for you to add your blog post to your email, you can just make sure that you have a text block like this one. So just drag it here and place it anywhere you like. And then, so for example, I'll just type in this is my blog. My blog. Okay, so what you need to do here is click on the text box, the block, and then just click on insert icon here, link, and then click on web page. Now from here, let's say I want to add the link to my blog to this text here. So I'll just type in blog, and then I'll just add my link, the link of my blog. So for example, I'll just add this one. For example, this is my blog, and then just click on insert. Okay, now from here, you can just if you want to check, you can do that. Just click on preview, and then just click on this one. As you can see, it worked. So once you've done that, just click on continue. Okay, now from here, you can either send it now or schedule it for later if you want. You just need to add your contacts here and then just click on send now, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.